Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain you how to set up your Verizon Fios Wi-Fi extender. So the first step is to simply plug in your extender. So you're gonna have to simply connect it to your extender and then simply plug it here. And then what you're gonna have to do next, so we're gonna have to install the Wi-Fi. So you're gonna have to place the Fios extender directly next to the Fios router. Then take the Ethernet cable from the packaging and connect one end to the yellow port and the router and the other end to the yellow port on the extender. Then connect the power cord to your extender, then to an electrical outlet, just like this. Now, after 10 minutes, the light on the extender should turn solid white, indicating the connection is complete. Unplug and move the extender to an area between the router and an area with spotty Wi-Fi coverage. Once the extender is plugged in, the light should turn solid white again within a few minutes, and basically that's all you have to do. So, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.